Greetings, beautiful artists. Today I am playing with a fun and super easy little Christmas tree, but don't let it fool you. Even though it's really fun and simple, it's so cute. So let's go ahead and get started. And actually for this one, all I'm going to be using are these and this. So super duper easy. I will list anything I use down below in case you're feeling like a little shopping and getting yourself a gift or two. So let's get started. This is so cute, and you could even engage your little ones to help you with this, or like me, if you're making several holiday cards, this is perfect. The colors I'm going to use are going to be pink because that's my favorite color, and a little bit of maybe some of the purples. So what I'm going to do first is I did spray, and these are my layings. These are just the tubes that I have put into my palette here. And if you take a look, I've got all the colors of the rainbow here going all the way around. So I'm going to use the pink for today, maybe a little bit of this purple I think could be really pretty. So let's get started. So much fun, you guys. I'm so excited. I'm wetting my Q-tip just a little bit. Then I'm going to go into that beautiful pink we all love. And let's just start. So just random dots, you guys. But wait till you see how simple but so cute this is. Okay, now I'm going to go into, let's go in with maybe some yellow. So wetting my brush again, my little Q-tip, into our gold, and randomly going in there, adding those in. I mean, this, if I send this out, everyone would be, oh, this is so Debbie. So use those colors that really resonate with you. I think what I'll do at this point is go in and just use a little darker value of that pink. So I'm swirling my Q-tip around in there and just going to darken up a few of those. Oops, wrong one. A little bit more. My Q-tips get a little worn out. I think I'll actually grab another one. Just wetting it a bit. And swirl it around there. There we go. And do a few more just so we have some different values in there. Ooh. Like that. Isn't that pretty? And you've got, again, those different values. Let's go for some orange. So I'm just wetting my brush a bit. I'm going to pick up some of that orange. And I'm going in pretty creamy value here. And in between there, oh, look at that. Isn't that so fun? So pretty. This would be really pretty. I mean, you could do all your cards a little bit different and maybe do some with blues and purples, something like that. I think in between all, let's add in some blue. Grabbing yet another little Q-tip here. And let's see, should we do light blue or should we do this beautiful turquoisey blue? Let's try this turquoisey blue. I think that light blue could be really pretty too. Let's mix it. And oop, I got a stray string there, so I'm gonna wrap that up. Oh, look how fun. And even overlap them, because since watercolors are so transparent, if you overlap, some of the areas are going to actually appear to be a little different color. Look at how fun that is. Should we go in there with maybe some purple? Let's try some of that purple. Here I go. And your kids would have a ball with this, don't you think? Oh, I know. Okay, changing gears here. I think I'm going to go in with some gold. Yeah, gotta have the bling. So let me go in. I should have wet this first. Let me put a little bit of water in there. I use my metallics pretty thick. There we go. Rinse my brush. Ooh, this is going to be fun. Twirl my brush around in there a bit. Oh, this is going to be really pretty. Look at that. It just looks like little gold lights. So fun, you guys. And what's cool is when I make cards, I will make a few that take me a little longer, but I really like to also be able to make numerous cards. And if my design is too difficult, you know, that's a little bit harder, but look at how cute that is. Now, if you have an angle brush, see how this is on the angle? This is my set, which I believe they're releasing for a week or two. Any day now. You can go below and just ask them to notify you if they release these. It's in there. If not, I will link the Princeton angle down below, but watch how easy it makes that trunk of the tree. So I'm going to go into this brown here, which again is at my laying. And this is all we have to do. Lie my brush down on its side. Look at that. Ta-da! It's done. Now, what I want to do here is let's just continue some of that gold and watch what I'm going to do. So we'll just do some of these dots, and this would be pretty with that set as well. You know, the mirror series would be really pretty. Now what I'm going to do here is let's just make these into little stars. Oh, so cute, so fun. Like that. And it just looks, I'm going to try and anchor my hand here. Like almost like a North Star, doesn't it? Look at that. So fun. We could even do some little, grab your 8-round brush and do some splatter if you want. If you're feeling like you want a little bit more zhuzhing. Let's grab our brush. Oh yeah, look how fun that is. Don't you just want to make a whole bunch of these? You could add presents under here if you really wanted to. I'm not going to, but I think that would be really pretty. Just going to create just a little ground cover there and maybe darken one side. So I'll go into there. I think I'll also add a little bit of my darker brown just to create a little shadow. Yeah, look at that. And we're done. Isn't that fun? I hope you guys try this. I love little designs like this. And most of all, enjoy. Let these watercolors really be a fun thing for you. And I love seeing you guys share with your family and your friends. They're going to love this. Most of all, have fun. And thank you so much for being here. I love waking up every morning and seeing how excited you guys are getting about the different techniques and fun little simple, easy things. No stress, just play. And I will see you all soon. Happy painting. I'll be right here reminding you, you are an artist. All right, much love. See you soon.